Samagra Shiksha Tamil Nadu has initiated a wall painting competition to students of classes 1 to 8 in all government middle schools across the state during COVID-19 lockdown. Let us have a glance at these schools in Tiruvallur district. The children who remained indoors for several months were overwhelmed when they came to know about the competition. The head teachers ensured that the news of the competition reached the students through phone messages, posters, and in some cases visiting the locality. The news about the competition received much appreciation and support from both the students and parents. Children immediately got onto their work and draw pictures from home. Their drawings depicted themes ranging from COVID-19 to clean environment and education. The students submitted their sketches to schools either in person or through WhatsApp. A team of teachers judged these drawings and selected 5 best pieces. The students were informed about the selection. The parents of the selected children came to school to submit their consent letter.
My son name is Saravanan. His teachers wanted him to participate in the drawing competition. Since he has a special interest for drawing, I have given my consent for his participation. I am thankful to the government for giving my son an opportunity to exhibit his talent.
The students were allotted a place on the wall to paint. The schools provided the students with paints and brushes. Like expert painters, they turned the dull school walls into colorful canvas.
I am Aruna. During COVID, I spent my time at home watching Kalvi TV educational channel. It was then our teachers informed about the wall painting competition and wanted us to participate in it.
The initial inhibitions and hesitations disappeared after a few brush strokes. They compete with each other to produce their masterpieces.
My name is Dilli Babu. I participated in the wall painting competition initiated by Samagra Shiksha. It was a useful program during this lockdown.
My name is Ashini. Samagra Shiksha conducted a drawing competition. I drew a picture and sent through WhatsApp. Teachers liked my drawing and selected me to draw the painting on my school wall.
The paintings on the wall were judged again and the best 3 paintings were selected.
I am Satya. I am a member of School Management Committee. Samagra Shiksha initiated wall painting program and the students participated enthusiastically. Thanks to the head teacher, other teachers as well as to Samagra Shiksha.
The winners were awarded with cash prizes and the prizes were given as checks.
Students from classes 1 to 8 participated in the wall painting competition conducted by Samagra Shiksha. My students participated in the program enthusiastically. This program provided a great relief and happiness for the students who were forced to be at home during this lockdown. Thanks to Samagra Shiksha.
Teachers, parents, school management committee and even the officials are happy and grateful to the wonderful idea which struck the right chord at the right time. Kudos to Samagra Shiksha for this timely initiative.